Isa talaga sa mga bucket list ko ang itry ang omurice sa Japan. Kaya naman nandito kami sa Tamago to Watashi. Basically, it means eggs and meat. Located siya dito sa Shibuya. Nakalimutan ko na nga lang kung anong pangalan ng building. Pero nasa 6th floor siya. The restaurant was cozy. Friendly yung mga staffs. Though nagkaroon kami ng konting language barrier, pero seamless naman yung pag-order namin. And after naming umorder ng mga food, they gave us soups. And parang lasang normal na bulalo lang. So yung kinuha nila is yung tomato cream omurice, while yung sa akin is yung demi-glace iteration. The sauce was thick, creamy, rich deliciousness. Masarap. I've also got the souffle version. Though medyo under-seasoned yung itlog, nangingibabaw naman yung flavors ng rice at patties sa ilalim. Okay naman, pero kumuha din kami ng desserts as closing remarks. Kinuha na namin lahat ng uri ng desserts. Panalo, lahat. Lalo na yung creme brulee. Except dun sa sherbet. I'll give this place an 8.2 out of 10.